I rate my voice. I will sing Impostor Syndrome. Okay. Rate my voice. Just watch me moving far away. Nobody even knows my name, and no one suspects that I'm not fine. Then nobody else behavior Frankenstein. Just look at Victorian LA until I am incorrect, and all the majors at the labels rebooting soon is hireable. Every other day I'm wondering what's a human being gotta feel like. What's a way to just be confident? These waiting things ruin my life. Every so rate my voice if 10 out of 10 of 1 if 1 out of 10. Just rate my voice if my voice is good, like I and like, comment and share. But if my voice is not good, if my voice bad, scroll. Okay, bye bye, good night.